So let's start simple, OK? Here we can see my local package inside of VS Code with a live connection to our backend ABAP system. Navigation, smooth. I can move through our classes and CDS artifacts just as you would expect. OK? Creating objects is easy from the command palette. I can come up here and say new ABAP object, choose class. I can give it my $temp package. I'll give it a name, ZCL agencies, and a description, demo. Hit enter a couple of times, and hopefully we get, yep, here we go. And you can see that my object tree has been updated on the left. I can see my class here. I'll go ahead and open up the source file. Beautiful. And I will throw in some executable code here so we can run it. Right? And I need my interface definition. And let's go ahead and save this. And hopefully we can activate. Beautiful, activated. I can run it from here as well. So you can see the results in the console, just like we see in ADT, right? Debugging, absolutely. Set a breakpoint right here and run it again. And then you can see that, that my breakpoint stops at the line 18. And we have everything here. We can see the variables, watch points, call stack, breakpoints, everything here. And I can go ahead and step over that first statement. And we can see that the agencies table now has data in it. But here's the real kicker. We don't have to stop with ABAP. Oh, no. Now that we're in VS Code, right, we have our CAP and Fiori application development living together in one IDE. Right? So if we come out here and look at our CAP application, we can open up our JS files as well as our Fiori annotations for our Fiori applications. Because having everything in one IDE, it's a SAP full stack developer's dream, right? This is cool, right?